Look, it's like you put a hex on me. I'm in a trance and glad I can't leave. You show me the things that I cannot see. I'm high off your hocus pocus, ooey. On black girl magic, I have OD. Yeah, they hate but they copy, they cuckoo. Your voodoo is too cool. Let's disappear, hit me with your juju. You wave your wand and every time I'll choose you. And that magic.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you've seen from the intro, I have another phenomenal video for you all. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to do crochet braids, but this time we're doing it with cornrows. As shared in my previous videos, I am a type 4 natural. Some of y'all didn't believe that I was 4C, but y'all, my hair is very kinky in the front. Around the crown and also in the back, I'm more so 4B, but 4C in the front, and my shrinkage is crazy. As you all can see on this side, it's moisturized and it has been twisted up, and you will see definition once I take it down. So 4C girls, you can get your hair to look really shiny, really moisturized. You just got to use the right products. So I'm going to show you all the products that I use on my hair. We're even going to get this side to be really sleek to match the silky texture of the hair that I'm going to be using. These two products are legit, y'all. The Shine Pomade and also the Cream Curl Enhancer by Softy Naturals have been a staple of mine. I am in love with these products. I'm also going to be using this mint almond oil from EL Organics. I love that as well, and the cooling sensation is heaven, y'all. So I'm going to start by actually moisturizing my hair with the curl enhancer, and we're just kind of recapping so that you all can see how I prep my hair before doing a protective style like this. And here's a quick shot of the back of my hair. It is looser, as you can see, and I'm proceeding to add more of the curl enhancer, and it really does what it says it does, because as you can see, it's making my curls start to form and create definition. But that's not what we're here for. We're actually using this to moisturize so that we can braid our hair, and I like to layer it with the Shine Pomade. Usually when I do cornrows, y'all, I am so tender-headed since I've become natural, and it hurts so bad. But when I started using both of these products, it made the manipulation process so much easier. It melts away the tangles, and I don't dread cornrow my hair anymore. I'm actually excited when I do it because I have those two products. And no, this video is not sponsored by them. I just really like the products and I thought I'd share. At the end, I like to twist rather than braid. And for me, that really helps to make the takedown process so much easier. So now I'm following it up with the oil, because you want to make sure you're taking care of your hair as well as your scalp, because we want our hair to grow, right? This last section on the right side, we're going to leave alone for now. We're going to take care of that later. But this is what the completed braid pattern looks like. I just braided straight back behind that section and continue that braid pattern all the way over to the left side. Now this next step is optional. You can actually sew down the back, but I decided to use bobby pins because I felt like that was much faster. Now let's get into this hair, guys. This hair is from Trendy Tresses, and it's their Island Curled. It is an ombre color, and mine is blonde ombre 1B/27, but you can also get it in auburn brown, which is the color that's displayed on the card. So this is how long it is. It is in length 18, but you can cut it in half and create a shorter look, and that's also gonna cause you not to have to use as many packs. Now what I noticed when I received this hair, that there was some discoloration going on, and I did talk to the company about it, and the customer service was very good about responding and rectifying the situation. They did inform me that that doesn't typically happen and that they have switched manufacturers, so it's not something that they're anticipating in the future, and they also offered to send me new hair, which is awesome. So I'm installing the hair now, and I didn't do anything like crazy in regards to the install. I just inserted the crochet needle, attached it, and I looped it. Sometimes I looped it twice, sometimes I looped it like 3 or 4 times, but just FYI, if you want added security, loop it as many times as you desire. Something else that I'd like to note is that I did do larger sections in the back, or I used larger sections of hair in the back, and I used smaller pieces in the front. So I'm just going to let you all watch the process where I crochet the hair in, and then I'll come back on when we move on to the next step.
Got a pretty face, so we could a golden state, I'm still stuck to the screen. So it seems, so it seems. 88, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. 88, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. 88 and my love still remains. Tryna fit your face in a picture frame. You're looking pretty in those jeans to your waist, like that girl from the movie we saw last week.
Alright, y'all, so we finished installing the hair, and y'all, it gets so big. It's like this Diana Ross big curl, and I love it. I did experience some tangling, and some of the pieces of hair were very difficult to separate, but I made it work. Now we're going to work on the hair on the side. We need to get it nice and sleek, and y'all, I'm going to be honest, I was so nervous at this point because I was thinking, oh my goodness, this hair is so silky. Am I going to be able to get my hair to blend well with this hair? But I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. So y'all know I had to grab my favorite product for my kinky edges. Y'all, this Got to Be Glue in the yellow bottle is so great for slicking down and getting the best results. I like to use this and the curl defining glaze paired together just to give me shine and moisture, and also to just create a really nice look. So now I'm just parting off sections to create the bantu knots for this particular style. Once again, this is also optional. If you desire to just have a full head of crochet hair, then you can do that and just braid your hair all the way back, and that would work. But I decided to kind of spruce up the look a bit with bantu knots on the side. So I'm applying those two products, and I'm using this small edge brush, and it has a comb on one end. If you don't have one of these brushes, you need to get one. They can be found in your local beauty supply store. They're so good for really getting in and making sure that you're able to tame those edges. So after I get my baby hair and my edges as sleek as I like, I'm going to add a rubber band to this area and begin creating my bantu knots.
88 and I still can't escape the sense of infatuation I can't seem to shake. Got me hung up on you, no, I never felt this way. Hope I still feel the same when I'm 88. 88, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. 88, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. 88.
Alright, y'all, so once you get to this stage in the process, don't stop here unless your hair is really full, thick, and the same color as your crochet braids. So with that in mind, my hair is black and it's also not that full or long, so we need to add some hair. So using the crochet braid hair, I created a loop, and I'm going to take that loop and I'm going to wrap it around my bantu knot created with my own hair, and I'm going to tie that tight, and then I'm going to grip it and I'm going to begin to wrap it around and use the same motion that I used when creating the bantu knots on my own hair. So it's the same process. You're just going to add this hair to your hair to create a really flawless look.
Things will never be the same. Let's get back to that place. Things will never be the same. Things will never be the same. Let's get back to that place. Know what I mean? Know what I mean?
Y'all, I was so psyched at this point because I didn't know how to make it work with my edges, the textures, and then also my hair not being as dense. But I'm so thankful that I thought of that method and it worked out so well. So now I'm just applying some mousse to the hair to help tame the hair because as you can see, it is very big. As I told you guys at the beginning, I used about 4 1/3 of a pack of hair. You don't have to use this much. Again, cut it in half or use less hair. You could actually, when installing it, try to install and space out the strands of hair as you're installing them. That would help. So now I'm just trimming the hair and shaping it so that I can create the look that I desire. Y'all, I really like this clip because you can really see how rich the color is. It's giving me summer vibes all up and through. This curl pattern is very beautiful and the texture is also gorgeous. This is actually my first time since being natural trying Bantu knots and I love it with this particular style.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one.
Another quick tip, if you want to cover the knots that are exposed, you can take a strand of the hair, pull it forward and over the knots that are exposed, and then insert a bobby pin in order to secure it into place. Now the area that's left looking a little scarce, don't worry, you can always just go back in and crochet in more hair if you desire.
I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating this look for y'all. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check the description box for the link to this hair. I look forward to your feedback. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
I'll take care.